Do you know that yesterday my mommy said, baby, please help me with my phone.
Baby, help me with my phone.
And Joella ran very fast to get the phone. She don't know that it's daddy that are calling baby.
Yes,
Before she came back, daddy has already given mommy the phone.
No.
Daddy has already given mommy the phone. No. Mommies, how can you be calling your husband baby? Is he a baby? Is he a baby? Is he a baby? Can't you name him another name?
Chief Daddy, or like anything. Or like Papi Lulu.
Or like Papi.
Papi Lulu.
Yes. That sounds better. You can call him that. In fact, if you're now calling him baby, what will you call us?
Mama.
Mama. You call us Mama, and then the boy will be mad, and the daddy will be baby. Is it fair? Is that fair?
Yep. Nope. Yep.
Don't you know that as you're calling him baby, he'll be acting like baby?
Yes.
Baby this, baby that, baby this, baby that,
baby this, baby that,
baby everything. Baby, I like your haircut.
Baby, I like your haircut. I like your smile.
Baby, everything. Baby, I love your shirt.
I love your haircut.
Mommies, how can you be calling your husband
baby?
Baby this,
baby that, baby this, baby.
That's why they cannot do anything by themselves. Even when they cannot flush the toilet. You leave it for who?
For mommy to flush it.
For who?
For the mommy to flush.
For mommy. And they are acting like babies. They cannot wash clothes by themselves. They cannot wash clothes though.
When you finish putting that clothes, you will not wash it.
You will not wash it.
When they pee and put in their clothes, you will not even wash it.
Let me just tell you, it's remaining for them to be crying like this. It's just remaining for them to be crying. It's remaining for them to be crying. Like babies. Like baby. What? Mommy, stop calling them babies. They are not babies. Call them like
baby. Behave like mommies. Behave well.
This, baby that.
Behave well.
Just like we said. We say you can call them Chief Daddy, Papi, or Papi Lolo.